Hey, Darren Campbell with Confident Home Solutions, licensed general contractor, builder, remodeler in North Carolina. We put this patch on in a previous video, excellent video if I have to say so myself. But in the comments, people were like, Darren, that patch won't hold anything. It's extremely weak. I don't know. We put them on with success for a lot of years. We do a traditional one with wood backers, but I was thinking, why not test it? So I was thinking, why not throw a drywall anchor in there? This is the drywall anchor I've chose to use. As you screw it in, this screw will run in and it will push these out in such a fashion on the back side of the wall. It screws in and then pulls this tight to the back of the drywall. Since this really is not a test about the anchor more than it is about the patch, that's why I chose this as opposed to a screw-in style, because I wanted something like a toggler, which is basically is another version of a toggler, with paws on the back to grab the back side of the drywall. So just so we can see the cutout right here of the original hole saw. And you're looking at it right there. So for any of the people that are doubting, the edge of the paws are about 1.25 inches away from each side. Let's give this a try. Alright, so just like all easy anchors, they are self-drilling. So let's put this guy in. This has a Phillips bit on the back. Okay, this is what we have here. We got our gauge. We're attached like that. Yeah, pretty simple. So let me set this up and get it zoomed in. Okay, we're gonna have Harley start putting pressure down on it. Slowly take it down. What are we at?
140 pounds?
Are we at pounds? Hold on. Stop.
Yep. LB.
What? How is that even possible? Hold on here.
Says LB.
That is insane. If we're already at that. Okay, so this is a patch that we put in, and let's keep going. Let's
I think we can make it to 170.
go ahead and tear this thing out.
200 pounds. 220 pounds.
Hold on, let's back up. Do we think this is in back pounds?
LB. That's what it says.
Are you pushing pretty hard?
Yeah. I mean, for this thing to cantilever over, yeah, that's probably correct.
How could it be that high? Let up.
That's probably right. About 8.5
Just
pounds.
push down on it. No. Pull down on it. What you think it'd be 50, 60 pounds. Holy smokes. You got a ton of leverage, don't you?
Yeah.
Well, I just can't believe it's already holding up that high. All right, so here we go. Harley's gonna start pulling down on it. All right, keep going. It's moving. Keep going. What are you at?
I made it up to 240 before it started moving, but...
Keep going. We're not testing the anchor, we're testing the patch. Okay. Well, I guess I should have held on to it. Okay, so what do you think of that? There again, we weren't testing the anchor, we're testing that patch.
Yeah.
How much did you think it would make it to?
35, 40 pounds.
I wouldn't have expected it to make it anything past
Yeah.
40.
Yeah.
So, now mind you, I coated that patch quite well on the outside edge, but you know, this is a one of one try. But people saying that this is a weak patch, I think we just proved otherwise.
Yeah.
So that's just straight.
I mean, you can see it ripped right out your drywall. It didn't know where all the mud was.
So, all right. Well, I'm impressed.
Yep.
So, the half-inch drywall.
That did
This patch was done. How long ago was it?
what, a month?
Month?
Yeah.
Month or 5 weeks. So the mud's definitely carried out.
Yeah.
But as far as it working as a patch, it performed just as well as a brand new drywall.
Yep.
So I believe it did. So, all right.